Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, let's start with global markets as there is hardly any major event to talk about on the domestic front. US equities on Wednesday close with stupendous gains on hopes of easing US inflation. Asian markets followed US equities and are trading in the positive territory. Singapore Nifty is up 50 points. Although Indian currency is gaining day by day, FIs are consistently selling in Indian equities, which is a big disconnect. Most of the time, whenever we saw gains for Indian currency, at the same time, we also saw FIs buying interest in the equities. So this time it is something which is disconnecting, and that's the reason the markets are turning more and more volatile. Also today, several key events like CPI inflation, IIP numbers, and the IT giants Q3 results will be revealed after trading hours, which will keep the market volatile within the broader trading range. So 17,750 is acting as major support for the market, and on the higher side 18,270 is the level to watch out for. But in between, 18,000 is also acting as the psychological resistance for the market, and around those levels we are seeing some selling pressure or liquidation. So we need to see that today the market manages to surpass 18,000 or not. However, it has multiple resistance at every 50 points higher. We feel that today, if we see the market is sustaining above the mark of 18,000, then it will have positive implications. Otherwise, we may see the markets to trade at the lower boundary of the entire range, and on the dismissal of the 17,750, we can expect a slide toward 17,500 or 300. Bank Nifty closed with some handsome gains on Wednesday. The formation was also quite encouraging, but at the same time, yesterday's lowest level going to act as crucial support level for the Bank Nifty, and on the dismissal of that, we can expect a decline towards 41,500. So 41,800, 41,750 going to act as major support for the day for the Bank Nifty, and resistance would be 42,500. Based on the technical setup of the market and the volatility which is there, time consuming pattern, all these things are clearly indicating that the market is preparing for a big move on the dismissal of the trading range. So we need to keep a close watch on these levels, and based on that we have to trade in this market. Again, we are going to focus on metals, BFSI, as well as a few IT companies, and capital goods and engineering stocks should also be on the radar. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us, and have a great day to all of you.